Top 5 Best Foldable and Portable Hammocks. Number 5. Vivere Double Hammock with Steel Stand. Like to take a nap with a friend or partner? The Vivere Double Hammock will fit the bill perfectly. This Brazilian-style hammock offers great comfort and versatility. Brazilian style refers to larger and more curved, banana-shaped hammocks. It is one of the most popular hammocks for a good reason. Besides quality, it offers a stunning number of colors, styles, and even several different fabrics. But the basic design remains the same. The fabric part is around 90 inches long, while it is 47 inches wide at the widest part. The maximum capacity of 450 pounds will provide stability and support for 2 people. The frame is made of steel, and it weighs 35 pounds. It is a bit heavy, but it's strong and easy to assemble. I love the variety of materials. You can choose cotton for maximum comfort and a nice feel. Polyester is easy to clean and great to avoid mildew. Mesh will provide ultimate breathability. Sunbrella fabric won't fade in the sun. It's also easy to set up and take down. While it is on the heavier side, it is possible to combine the hammock with tree straps and avoid carrying a heavy frame on camping trips. In all honesty, we couldn't find any important shortcomings of this product. Yes, it will cocoon you if you lie in the center, but all hammocks of this type will do so. We've sifted through user reviews, but all we could find was like, it will make you lazy, it's a life changer, and on and on. The ability to adjust the length and choose the fabric should allow you to make a perfect choice. Pros: large and comfortable. Come with several hook holes to make it more taut or loose. Huge range of different colors and patterns. 4 different fabrics to choose from. Easy to assemble. Can be paired with tree straps. Cons: fabric stretches a bit over time. It's a bit wide for one person. Unless you lay diagonally, you'll be pretty much cocooned, and the fabric will block your view. Coming in number 4. Tranquillo SSRS Adjustable Foldable Hammock. Being tall comes with some advantages, but not so much when you choose a hammock. The Tranquillo SSRS Adjustable Foldable Hammock was designed to accommodate taller and heavier people. What's more, this hammock is adjustable in several ways to provide better positioning or even provide room for 2 persons. Firstly, it has a 3-notch design to customize the height. Then, a 2-layered polyester fabric can expand to offer more space. Also, there are stitched-in spreader bars near both ends. So, this hammock doesn't narrow down at the ends the way traditional hammocks do. The design provides more space near the top and bottom parts. It makes the hammock more stable as well. Nevertheless, spreader bars aren't connected to the frame, so you can rock and sway as you wish. The length of the hammock is 108 inch, so it will fit even very tall people. With a maximum weight capacity of 550 pounds, you don't have to worry if you've gained weight lately. While you should always prioritize functionality and quality, good looks won't do any harm. This hammock is stylish and comes in a wide variety of colors. On the downside, some users found it a bit awkward as it may sag too low in the middle. And if you adjust it to the highest setting, it becomes too high to get in easily. Truth be told, a vast majority of users have had no issues with the clearance height and found the hammock comfortable and supportive. Pros: large size. It can fit 2 people. Maximum weight capacity 550 pounds. Sturdy and durable steel frame. Spreader bars prevent cocooning and maximize resting space. Customizable height. Cons: some heavier users have reported that it sags too low under their weight. A bit heavy at 26 pounds. Coming in number 3. Lavish Home 80 Altham BLK Portable Hammock. If you're looking for a foldable hammock that swings without breaking the bank, the Lavish Home 80 Altham BLK Portable Hammock might be the best choice for you. If you need a hammock for occasional use, you'll probably want to save a few bucks by avoiding expensive models. This hammock is affordable, but it offers good value for money. The design allows you to swing, although just enough to call it swinging. It is very easy to set it up. It folds and unfolds like an umbrella. Weighing 22 pounds, it's not the lightest model out there. But it is light and compact enough to be portable. A carry case measures 44 by 7.5 by 7.5 inches. It has padded shoulder straps to make it more comfortable for carrying. The unfolded dimensions of 94 inches by 31 inches are quite generous. I like the extra width while you can't use the full length due to the narrowing design at both ends. I'd say it's long enough for people around 6 feet tall or less. If you don't like synthetic materials, this hammock is made of canvas. Canvas is heavier, but it is breathable and provides a more comfortable feel. It should be more durable as well, although I am not sure that is the case here. Several users have reported poor stitching and fraying after a couple of weeks of use. Pros: easy to set up and take down. Breathable canvas fabric. Aluminum frame. It swings. Affordable. Cons: not the most durable model. Some users find it uncomfortable. Coming in number 2. Mach 1 Indoor Hammock Stand Portable Folding. Looking for a lightweight, portable, and easy-to-fold hammock? The Mach 1 Indoor Portable Folding Hammock fits your bill perfectly. To begin with, it's one of the lightest models, weighing 14.5 pounds. It is a freestanding and fully collapsible model. What's more, if you're handy, folding can take less than a minute. It's realistic for anyone to do it in under 5 minutes. It is quick, simple, and easy. Folded dimensions are 33 by 11 by 6 inches. Compact packed size, easy to set, lightweight to carry it. They've got it all covered. Even though it's called a hammock, it has a crossover design between hammocks and cots. There are no sidebars, but you can't swing in this hammock. Still, it's very comfortable according to a vast majority of users. The frame is made of steel. The fabric is thick, parachute-grade nylon. So, it should be quite sturdy and durable. There's also a small, removable canopy that covers the top section of the hammock. It provides a shade for your face on sunny days. On the downside, it is not very long. Measuring 67 length by 25 width by 33 height inches, it is short for anyone over 5 feet 6 inches. All users above this height will have their feet hanging over the edge. True, top and bottom bars are padded, so it won't be uncomfortable if you're just slightly longer than the hammock. Several users have reported corrosion issues after short rainstorms. If you want to avoid the rust, fold it and store it away after each use. Pros: easy and quick setup. Very lightweight at 14.5 pounds. Compact when packed. Convenient storage pocket with a cup holder. Sturdy steel frame and parachute nylon fabric. Small canopy to protect your face from the sun. Cons: a bit short for people over 5 feet 6 inches. Can't sway. It will rust if left outside all the time. Coming in number 1. MacSports Collapsible Portable Hammock. Don't you love falling asleep in a hammock? Yeah, it feels great unless it's sunny and you get burned. The MacSports Collapsible Portable Hammock will allow you carefree lounging. It comes with a removable sunshade to protect you from head to toe. But a canopy is just the final piece of a puzzle. This product shines in pretty much all departments to allow you to enjoy afternoons in your backyard, at the beach, or on camping trips. A heavy-duty steel frame will provide exceptional stability while serving you for years to come. This is another, so-called bridge hammock model. Unlike traditional hammocks that bunch up at the ends, bridge hammocks come with spreader bars at each end. You can find out all about both types in our comprehensive buyer's guide. The length of about 89 inches makes it comfortable for taller users as well. The package includes a soft removable pillow to choose the best position or take a nap. It can withstand up to 250 pounds of weight, which is more or less a typical weight capacity for the product. I love the canopy design. It is set by using telescopic poles hidden inside the frame. You just need to pull them out and attach the canopy. Absolutely impressive. User ratings say it all. Several users were skeptical about freestanding hammocks, but fell in love with them after purchasing this model. The only shortcoming of this hammock is the weight. At 32 pounds it is somewhat heavy. Still, it is quite portable thanks to the wheeled carry case. Pros: removable canopy. Strong and stable construction. Can accommodate taller people. Easy to fold and unfold. Carry bag with wheels. Cons: on the heavier side, 32 pounds.